Can someone fast all 9 days of first 10 days?
Good question. Fasting the 9 days. Prophet ﷺ, he said, or it was narrated from the Prophet ﷺ from his wife, that the Prophet of Allah, he said, كان يصوم التسع من ذي الحجة, the 9 days. التسع here, it means, that means some of it. It doesn't mean all of it. This is number one. Number two, fasting during these days is recommended. Number three, can I fast all of them? That depends on fasting accept and voluntary. If you are from those who follow the opinion that fasting Saturday accept is not allowed except in obligatory, like our Shaykh al-Albani and other scholars, then you're not allowed to fast the whole 9 days because you're going to have Saturday within them. But if you believe that fasting the Saturday can be, as most of the scholars they say it is allowed to fast except during the voluntary, then you may fast all of the 9 days including Arafah. But remember, if you are Haji, do not fast Arafah. No.